Hi, welcome to Z Gadget. Let me ask you something. Are you in the market for a pair of glasses? You are? Great. Are you in the market for a pair of glasses that are smart? Yeah? Well, I have bad news for you. They don't exist yet. Amazon is launching their glasses, their smart glasses, their Alexa, almost said the full word, powered glasses. Technically, they work with your iOS phone or Android phone, and you pair them up and you use Alexa, you know what continues, in order to play music and do tasks. I guess I don't get the point of it. So as you can see, they are called the Echo Frames, and this is the second generation of the Echo Frames. They launched a first generation of the Echo Frames, I believe it was last year, where you could get them for $179. They were available by invitation only, so if you were invited to be one of the lucky ones to buy it, then you forked over $179, they send you the glasses, and you could be a beta tester for them. Now, these glasses have graduated to an actual product that you can buy. Anybody can buy it. It's $250. And let me read you some of the features that it has. Meet the Echo Frames, glasses with open ear audio and hands-free access to Ale. So there are glasses like this. Well, not exactly like this because they are not equipped with Ale on the glasses, but they do have the Bluetooth headphones on the bottom of the the arm, this part right here of the glasses right there. So you like this goes like in your ear like that, or they have conduction. No, these are not Echo glasses. These are just regular glasses. So, but or they do bone conduction, and then that's how you can hear music. Now, I think, gosh, I can't remember who makes them now. I will have the name of the company that makes those glasses here. I think it's Oakley. And but a lot of the reviews on those glasses are that the music isn't loud enough, and if you're around a noise, if you are around a noisy area, then that noise drowns out the music. Or if you're listening too loud, other people can listen to what you're listening to, which obviously that's annoying unless you're one of those people who does not care about being noisy around other people, and you're just one of those people who has their phone.
One day after living.
If you're one of those people, then clearly you don't care about anybody else. It's taking a breather here. Anyway, let me continue reading the features on this product. Just ask Alexa, make calls, set reminders, add to your to-do list, get the news, listen to podcasts, or control your smart home from anywhere. Open ear audio Echo Frames direct sound to your ears while minimizing what others can hear. Plus, they can adjust volume based on the noise level of your environment. A VIP filter customized with notifications to receive from the contacts and apps to your phone that matter to you. So that means that you can be walking around and listening to people's text messages? I'm assuming phone calls as well. That sounds very promising. But the last thing I want is to have to listen to people's text messages in my ears all day wear. Echo Frames are lightweight, splash resistant, and compatible with most prescription lenses. I will hope they're splash resistant. I mean, they're a pair of glasses that you're going to be wearing everywhere when it rains and anything. So I hope that the least is that they are splash resistant. So thank you, Amazon. Battery life, get over 2 hours of talk time, Ale interactions, and media playback over a 14-hour day. Or up to 4 hours, so no stop listening on a full charge. 2 hours? 2 hours? What's the point? It's $250 for glasses that I'm going to be wearing all day long. These are prescription glasses, which actually you can do because they have partnered with LensCrafters, which means that they expect people to actually get their prescription glasses using these frames. Of course, you can go through insurance and save some money, but that's not the point. The point is that it's 2 hours of battery life to do all these smart things. No. And then just 4 hours of music. I mean, okay, 4 hours of music, fine. Who listens to 4 hours of music constantly nonstop? But I don't know. Like, it doesn't. 4 hours? Oh. Designed to protect your privacy, microphones are designed to respond to the voice of the person wearing the frames and turn off with the double press of a button. This is what the frames look like. They actually just look like regular glasses if you see them, from anywhere. So as you can see, it looks like the arm is a little longer. I mean, it's a little wider than normal glasses. You can see the buttons there. I'm assuming that's the volume rocker and the button to turn off the microphone. It says open ear audio directs sound to your ears, letting you directly access Alley. You can choose to have Echo Frames automatically adjust the volume based on the noise level of your environment. Before audio plays, with your ears uncovered, you'll be able to hear without blocking out the world around you. I mean, they look like regular glasses, except this part's a little wider. Like this, the arm, like this part is a little wider right here. And it looks like this is obviously thicker because it has all the components there. Oh, here's a breakdown. So it says adjustable temple tips, the speaker. So it actually has speakers on the sides, open speakers. You have the charging port, the volume, action button, the LED light, the touchpad. So I'm assuming the LED light, you are the only one who can see the LED light, because it will be really weird if you're wearing glasses. If you have your glasses on like this, and there's like a light just blinking, like clack, clack, in front of people. I think that would be really, really weird if that was the case. Hey, what's that on your glasses? There's a light blinking. So there you are. These glasses will be released on December 10th. The pre-order page is live on Amazon's website. If you want to buy these things, go for it. My recommendation is, if you do have insurance, to use your insurance, save some money, maybe play around with something. But I don't know. I don't really see the value on these things. I don't really see the need for these things. I personally do not use, Alley when I'm not at home. Like, I have obviously access to it on my phone. Sometimes I turn off my lights or turn on the lights. Like, I pull out my phone and do it. But I've never actually used it as an assistant on my phone. I've only used it at home. And I wouldn't say that it is the smartest thing out there, like I would probably Google is smarter than if you're, doing searches and things like that, which is probably something that you will do more when you are out and about. Do you use Alley in other parts of your life besides your home? Do you have it in your phone? And do you often talk to it? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. I know that's not how you throw a punch. Hi. No, but do hit that bell. And I want to thank you very much for watching.